Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You start now, power off the machine and unplug it, then ground yourself to protect components. Open the case and locate the correct bay or motherboard M2 slot. If using a 2, 5 or 3. 5 SATA drive, pick a mounting bracket or tray and the matching SATA cable. If using M2, find the keyed slot and the tiny standoff screw. Once these are confirmed, position the drive so connectors align and prepare to secure it physically. Next, mount the drive. For SATA drives, slide the drive into the bay or bracket and secure it with screws so it won't vibrate. Attach the SATA data cable to the motherboard port and the power cable to the PSU. Make sure connections are fully seated. For M2 NVMe, insert the module at a 25-30 angle into the slot, then press it flat and fasten the standoff screw. Finally, route cables cleanly to preserve airflow and prevent contact with fans. Power the system and enter BIOS or UEFI to confirm the drive appears. This verifies physical connection. Once detected, boot into your OS. In Windows, use disk management to initialize, partition, and format the drive. In Linux, use parted or gdisk, then mkfs and create a mount point. Mount the file system and update fstab if permanent. If the drive isn't detected, check cables and power, reset the M2, try a different SATA port, and
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.